Hey guys, Rana here, and in this quick video I'll show you how you can add YouTube subscribe button to your WordPress website. The best thing about to add YouTube subscribe button to your WordPress website that your visitor can subscribe to your YouTube channel without leaving your WordPress website. So let's get started and let's look at how we can do that. Alright guys, to start with, open up your YouTube channel and then click on customize channel, and now let's click on settings and then click on channel and then click on advanced settings and scroll all the way down and click on manage YouTube account and then click on advanced settings, and now you can see channel ID. So on this page we have to copy this channel ID. Let's click on copy, and now let's go to this website, developer.google.com/YouTube/YouTube subscribe button. I will provide you a link of this web page in the description box of this video so that you can open up the same web page by going to that link. Anyways, in the channel name or ID, I'm gonna delete this one and I'm gonna paste my original channel ID. Okay, in the layout I'll go with full. In the theme I'll select default. In subscriber count, you can hide your subscriber counts or you can show. In my case, I'm gonna select default. And now scroll down and you can copy this code by selecting all, and you can copy it. And now let's go to your website and let's visit your site. Make sure you logged in and then click on customize and then click on customize. So guys, basically you can add this YouTube subscribe button anywhere on your website, but in my case, I'm gonna add this YouTube subscribe button in right side of my widget area. Okay, so I'm gonna open up widgets. Let's select default and then click on add widget and search for custom HTML and add this widget over here and paste the code over here. And I'm gonna add a title. That's good. And let's drag and drop all the way up and click on publish and close this one. And now you can see that we have the title and we have the YouTube subscribe button. Alright guys, that's pretty much it guys. This is how you can add YouTube subscribe button to your WordPress website. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. So that being said, goodbye, and I'll catch you guys next time.